makeup lovers, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, hi, my name is Liz. On this video I'm going to be trying out a cool mask. It's actually a magnetic mask. So before we get started, please make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and also turn on that notification bell to get notified when I upload videos, and also give it a thumbs up at the end if you liked it. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So this is what the actual mask comes in. It comes in a little box, and it's by the brand Biovène or Biovène. It's from Barcelona. It says Biovène Barcelona, and it's a charcoal magnet mask. I've never tried these magnet masks, so I'm kind of excited to try it. It says recharge, purify, and revitalize skin, activated charcoal with iron, vitamin E, and lavender oil, and more. So they sent this to me on a little baggie, and I love this little baggie. It has little compartments inside, so you can actually put like your mask or any skincare for travel. I think that's very cute, so thank you so much for that. So I'm going to be trying this out. So this is a box that it comes with, and let me just open it to show you guys what it has. Ooh, and it's pink. So I mean, not the actual mask, but like the stuff is pink. So it does come with a little spatula, so you can like grab the mask. And it also comes with this magnet. It's a little magnet, so I guess you can pick up the mask. It comes with little, it's like little cotton, so you can put here so the mask won't get on the magnet. So you can cover it with the little, they're like cotton pads that they sent. And the actual mask, this is what it looks like. It's such like a, it's kind of heavy. It's like a good quality jar. Let me just open it. It does have this. So this is what the inside looks like. Just like, it looks like silver magnet. So let me see what the instructions say, because I haven't even read the instructions. It says, okay, use a spatula to spread a thin layer over cleansed face. I already washed my face and cleansed it, so my face is clean. Avoiding the eye area, and leave on for 10 minutes. So I have to leave it on for 10 minutes. Wrap the magnet with the included cover and run it near the surface of your skin. You don't need the magnet to touch your skin until the mask has been removed completely. Massage the remaining oils to infuse ingredients into the skin. And then it says follow with your favorite moisturizer. Use twice a week. So I'm going to be trying this out. So like I said, my face is already cleansed, so I'm just going to be putting this so my hair won't be on the way. Oh, I'm kind of excited. Okay, so I'm guessing with the spatula I'm going to be grabbing, ooh, it's kind of thick. It actually feels kind of like a mud mask. So it says avoid the eye area, so I'm not going to put it near my eye. And it says apply a thin layer, so I'm going to be applying it all over my face. Okay, so I kind of applied it already. It's kind of hard to add it with the spatula. I think maybe with a brush would be a little bit easier, but I'm gonna have to try that later. So I already applied it on my whole face. So now it says to wait 10 minutes. So I'm gonna put a timer on my phone just so I don't leave it on for more than 10 minutes, because I don't know what's gonna happen if you leave it on for more than 10 minutes. So I'm gonna put a stopwatch here. A timer. So I'm going to put a timer on my phone for 10 minutes. So there it is. It's starting. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and wait and see the results. So there's less than 2 minutes remaining. I kind of feel it kind of like tingly, just like any other mask. It feels kind of warm, I guess because it's like a charcoal, but it's not burning or anything. My skin is usually very sensitive, but I don't see any red as of yet, so I'm just gonna be waiting a minute and 30 seconds more, and then we're gonna take this mask off. Thirty more seconds. So time is up. So it says that you need to apply, this is a little protector that it comes with little protectors so you can protect the actual magnet. So it just says to cover this. I'm going to be covering it, and let me see. I'm kind of like nervous. Oh my god, it does get it. Let me see. Wow. This is so cool, you guys, and everything is like right here. I don't know if I'm gonna need another one of this, but ooh. Wow. It feels so soft, and it does feel like it has like a little bit of oil left behind. I'm not sure how I'm supposed to take this off from here or just use the same one. Let me see if it keeps on grabbing because it's kind of full already. Wow, this is so cool, you guys. Oh my god. And it's not even messy. It's like, I think I'm gonna have to use another. Wow. It's like real stuck in there. Like, wow. This is so cool. So I'm gonna use another cover to take the rest of this off. It's easier if you just tap it. You don't have to run the whole thing through it. And it says you don't need to apply the magnet to your face, but oh wow. I feel like you kind of do in order to get the whole magnet mask out of your face. You guys, this is so cool. I wonder if you can reuse it. Probably it's not sanitary, so don't do it. I was just wondering. So now it says just to, ooh, it feels so soft. It says just to massage the oils left on your skin. It did say it had vitamin E and lavender oil. It smells so good. It smells like, I don't even know the scent, but it smells good. Like, it's not like a bad magnet scent. It's a real good scent. So I'm just massaging this. So yeah, that is it. I really like how my skin looks. It kind of closed down my pores. Like, I don't feel like I have that many open pores, but I do see a difference, and my skin feels so soft. I don't think it left it red. I mean, usually I am red around here, like right now, but that's just the way I am because of my rosacea. I have a little bit of rosacea, so yeah. So my final thoughts on this mask is it is so cool to use. It says you can use it twice a week. My skin feels very soft and hydrated. I'm guessing because of the oils. So I guess I forgot to mention the price on the mask. So it is from Barcelona, so it is in euros. So it is 25 euros, which equals to, I believe, around 29 to 30 US dollars, which is not bad for a mask. Usually masks run a little bit more expensive, or if it's like a drugstore, it's cheaper. But yeah, so this is around 30 US dollars. So I really like the mask. I'm gonna continue using it to see how my skin starts feeling, and to see if I see any changes. And yeah, so this is it for this video. I will leave a link on the bottom description if you guys want to go purchase the mask or visit their websites. I know they have more masks because they sent me these samples. They sent me an aqua sleeping mask, that's kind of cool. Like, I want to try that out. Overnight hydrating and revitalizing, and it has licorice, chamomile, and purified water, and more. And it says activated charcoal, so it's also charcoal. And then they sent me charcoal acne patches. That is so cool. I have one right here, so I'll probably put one in there. So it's like a little patch. And then they have a pink peel off mask, clarifying, firm, and hydrating. And it's with strawberry, collagen, argan oil, and more. So it's like a peel off mask. So I'll be trying those out too. So this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.